And this is Dusty. She's a 130-pound Anatolian Shepherd. She always sleeps close to kids and watches over them every night. And she protects the house from any potential intruders, potential visitors, potential mailmen, just about anybody else walking on her street. So what we do for her is we're frying up some bacon, and instead of getting some napkins or paper towels to make a bed to lay that old greasy bacon on, use some sliced bread. And then she'll get that bread, get that bacon flavored bread. And while you're doing it, you can't give it a bacon, but you fry up a couple eggs. Eggs are cheap and they're healthy protein for her. You can fry up a couple eggs on that bed of bacon flavored bread. You can lay it on some dry dog food. Now you gotta know your dog. Dusty's a big dog, and she don't eat like this all the time. This is a treat, usually a Sunday treat. But always consult your veterinarian if you're not sure what your dog can handle. Smaller dogs can't quite handle, human food such as this, but it ain't really human food. God give eggs and bacon to all of us. And the same thing, you're frying up some meat. Get you a few slices of bread and sop up some of that grease and lay it on her dry dog food. Dogs smell that meat and bacon cooking too, drives them crazy. You gotta give them a little taste of it. You can't give them chicken bones or you can't afford chicken, but you can treat them like that. Let's go. Dusty pretty much goes wherever I go. We hang around a lot together, and I don't have to leash her. But I will put her on a leash if we're going around a lot of people, because she's a good sized dog and she'll scare some folks. And she's still a dog, and you never know what a dog is going to do in a given situation. They have anxieties too. But if you don't have a good place to walk your dog, you got to give them some exercise. Find yourself a kid's baseball diamond, a baseball park, and let them run inside the baseball park. They'll enjoy that freedom, but whatever you do, make sure you take you a turd bag with you in case they want to leave a little present there. Can't have that. Next up, Dawn dishwashing liquid again, folks. I wash her in Dawn dishwashing liquid. They say that Dawn dishwashing liquid kills fleas. I guess it's true, because I ain't never had a flea one on her. She goes out everywhere, in the woods, the fields, in the house. We ain't never had no fleas at all, and it does make her smell good and clean her up real nice, so I guess it's as good as any. But I do believe that if God himself ever was to wash dishes, he'd probably be using Dawn dishwashing liquid. That stuff is liquid gold. And if your dog's like Dusty here, Dusty's afraid of storms. And she feels that static electricity they say in the air. The dog can feel it in their bones, and she just gets all kinds of anxious about it. So you get yourself some dryer sheets, some fabric softening dryer sheets, see? And they say you take them sheets and you just rub them all over your dog and love on her, and that's going to soothe and dissipate that static electricity in her coat. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but I know the loving on her certainly helps, and she smells better having them fabric softeners all over her. But it sure seems to help her feel better about things. Feel it. So feel it. It's okay. Shh. And hide her head. It's okay. It's okay. We'll just stay here till it's over. It's all right.